Okay, I want to walk you through how to program your 5150 to receive MIDI commands for each of the three channels. So first you have to put it into the learning mode, which you hit both of these buttons at the same time here, and it'll start flashing. What you want to do next is send a MIDI command, representing channel 1, 2, or 3. So in this case, I'm going to send channel 1 through MIDI, and then what you want to do is push the button until the green light or blue light shows up. In this case, I want channel 1 to be green, so I select this until it goes to green, right? You can do blue or green on this channel. So that's programmed. Now what I want to do is send channel 2. So I just sent channel 2, and I want to select blue here. So I hit this until it turns blue. So that programmed channel 2. So now you can see channel 1, channel 2 works fine. Okay, then now I'm going to send channel 3. All right, channel 3 was set. You want to hit channel 3 here, and you can see it goes channel 3 here and the light's on. So now channel 3 is programmed. So you got channel 1, channel 2, and channel 3. All right, it was that simple. Okay, and then to exit, you hit these two buttons again, and you're out. All right, hopefully this helps.